For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us. Just check the description.
One of the greatest qualities of the crypto market has forever been the huge number of imaginative and different undertakings that make it up. The Reserve Protocol and its token RSR are among them. The undertaking means to make a decentralized and expansion-safe world save cash that wouldn't be fixed to any government-issued currency. That sounds like an extraordinary objective, most certainly in accordance with the standards for which we as a whole love blockchain. In this video, as we investigate reserve rights cost expectation, we will take a gander at the normal reserve rights costs in 2022 and then some. If it's not too much trouble, recall that this RSR cost expectation doesn't comprise speculation exhortation. Continuously do your own exploration and completely concentrate on market feeling prior to concluding, regardless of whether a specific digital money is a wise speculation. What is the Reserve Protocol? The Reserve Protocol is a decentralized framework, meaning to make really decentralized stablecoins that can endure for an extremely long period and oppose expansion. The primary thought behind the undertaking is the making of bushels of tokenized resources that can act as elective stakes for crypto resources. The items in those crates haven't been chosen at this point, yet as per the makers' arrangements, they will exclude a solitary government-issued money later on. How does the Reserve Protocol work? The Reserve Protocol utilizes savvy agreements to work with the production of stablecoins for anybody, anyplace, whenever. The interaction is additionally, generally, speedy and simple, as it has been smoothed out to make the undertaking more open. The convention has a double symbolic design. The first is RSV, a stablecoin, at present upheld by 1/3 USDC, 1/3 TUST, and 1/3 PACTS. It fills in as a likely fence on the off chance that any of its fundamental crypto resources have any issues. RSV upholds the tokens fabricated utilizing the convention. The task generally keeps the stablecoin at precisely $1, assuming it goes over that imprint, a few tokens will be sold. Also, assuming that it goes underneath it, some RSV will be purchased utilizing tokenized resources or the convention's other token, RSR. What is the reserve rights cryptocurrency? Save rights is a digital money made to balance out the Reserve Protocol. As an ERC20 token, it depends on the Ethereum blockchain. RSR has two head applications for the convention. It, right off the bat, goes about as an administration token. Furthermore, through marking, RSR fills in as protection for reserve stablecoins, likewise called tokens. Dissimilar to numerous other marking conventions, RSR is completely trustless and is solid. Newbies don't need to pay for early members, which makes this marking framework significantly more feasible over the long haul. RSR Technical Analysis. In the event that you're hanging around for a brief glance at how this token is doing right now, look at the consequence of reserve rights specialized examination performed by TradingView's calculations and refreshed progressively. Regardless, this apparatus ought not be fully believed, so kindly note that it ought to be utilized related to other market investigation instruments, like different pointers. Hold rights price prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of reserve rights costs expected in 2022, the base expense of reserve rights will be $0.008. The greatest level that the RSR cost can reach is $0.009. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $0.008. RSR price forecast for September 2022. In view of the value vacillations of reserve rights toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical RSR pace of $0.007 in September 2022. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $0.007 and at $0.008, separately. October 2022, reserve rights price forecast. Digital currency specialists are prepared to report their figure for the RSR cost in October 2022. The base exchanging cost may be $0.007, while the most extreme could reach $0.008 during this month. By and large, It is normal that the worth of reserve rights may be around $0.008. RSR price forecast for November 2022. Crypto experts have checked the value changes of reserve rights in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal RSR rate they foresee may be around $0.008 in November 2022. It can drop to $0.008 as a base. The most extreme worth may be $0.008. December 2022, reserve rights price forecast. Around mid-year 2022, the RSR cost will be exchanged at $0.008 by and large. December 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the reserve rights worth to $0.009. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $0.008 in December 2022. Hold rights price prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of reserve rights in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of reserve rights will be around $0.011. The most extreme expected RSR cost might be around $0.014. Overall, the exchanging cost may be $0.012 in 2023. Hold rights price prediction 2024. In view of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of reserve rights, in 2024, RSR is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about $0.017 and $0.020, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $0.017. Hold rights price prediction 2025. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money have examined the costs of reserve rights and their variances during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base RSR cost could drop to $0.024, while its greatest can reach $0.029. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $0.025. Save rights price prediction 2026. In light of the examination of the expenses of reserve rights by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least RSR costs are normal in 2026, $0.041 and $0.033. Overall, it will be exchanged at $0.034. Save rights price prediction 2027. Crypto specialists are continually dissecting the variances of reserve rights. In light of their expectations, the assessed typical RSR cost will be around $0.051. It could drop to at least $0.049.